The AI supply chain. When people think about artificial intelligence, they usually focus on visible applications such as chatbots, copilots, and AI assistants. However, behind every AI system lies a complex supply chain that transforms physical resources into digital intelligence. Much like traditional manufacturing, AI depends on multiple interconnected layers working together. This ecosystem can be viewed as a five-tier supply chain: hardware and semiconductors. Everything begins with critical minerals and silicon, which are transformed into advanced semiconductors such as GPUs, TPUs, and AI accelerators. These chips are produced through highly sophisticated manufacturing processes and form the foundation of modern AI, computing, and cloud infrastructure. The chips are integrated into servers and hyperscale data centers, creating the computing power required to train and operate AI models. This layer depends heavily on reliable electricity, cooling systems, and scalable infrastructure. Data and data engineering. Data serves as the fuel for AI. Information from multiple sources must be collected, cleaned, filtered, labeled, and curated. Human feedback and quality controls help transform raw data into reliable training data sets. Foundation models. At this stage, engineers train large-scale AI models using massive volumes of data. These models are refined, tested, and aligned to perform tasks such as reasoning, content generation, and multimodal analysis. Applications and integration. The final layer converts technology into business value. AI models are embedded into enterprise systems, workflows, copilots, chatbots, automation platforms, and autonomous agents that support organizations and users. Several strategic bottlenecks influence the entire ecosystem: advanced chip manufacturing, access to computing resources, energy availability, high quality data, specialized talent, and regulatory requirements. The key insight is that AI is far more than software. It is the product of an extensive supply chain that converts minerals, semiconductors, infrastructure, energy, and data into intelligence and ultimately into economic and business value. Organizations that understand this entire ecosystem will be better positioned to succeed in the AI era.